Hey guys, welcome back to my channel video. I'm Kenzie, and today, we're going to be washing my slime. So let's do it. Cause I dropped on the floor a lot in my last video. So let's go it. You ready? Oh, you're kidding. Why did I not have to catch that? Wait a second, I've been more than 5 seconds. 5-second fall. 10-second fall. I guessed it. Okay, let's clean this, baby. Okay, let's clean this. Look, ew. It's like hair on it. Ew. Ew, ew, ew. Okay, let's clean it. So cold. Why did it... Let's give it a nice bath. This is my shower, okay. So we put some water in it. If you hear that back noise, don't mind. But, uh-oh, guys, I think I ruined my voice one. You guys, comment down below if you knew that this was gonna happen. I'm sad. Comment down below if you ever did this. And don't ever do this to slime, your toy slime, because it will ruin it. Okay, let's see if I can fix it somehow. Okay, now I can stretch it for you, but see, look, it won't stick together. So, like a pancake. Maybe I wonder if you added lotion. Maybe soap? I'm gonna add some soap. Okay guys, we added some soap. Now let's blend. I'm just gonna rub it on like it's like a soap on a pancake. But I don't do it with my hands, so we might need a knife. I'm just joking, it's not a pancake, so. Oh, that is satisfying. Oh. Okay guys, I think I just ruined my slime again. But that's water. Did I seriously just ruin my slime? Kind of getting slippery. I might drop it. I might have to do it again. But I don't want to do it again because I ruined it. Just why? Why? Okay. Don't know why I just did that. I can't even stretch it. Like, how? My hands are so wrinkly. Okay, guys, I think I'm just ruining it even more, and I don't like how I'm doing that. And we might have to throw this away. Don't mind the background. Okay, so this is kind of getting ruined. I'm kind of getting mad about that. Wait, I'm blending it in. I might not be able, I think I might not have to throw away. No way. I'm so happy right now. No way. I don't have to throw away. That's not as good, but it smells better because it has soap in it and water. And that's how you give foot slime a bath. A bath. It's not that tricky, but actually I think it feels better. I think I might have to add a bit more soap. Hopefully it won't ruin it. I just have to blend it in if I add some more soap. So, let's add it. See, look, it's ruined. Now it's gonna be fixed soon. Guys, I think I just ruined it again. I'm mad at myself sometimes. Why did I just do that? Does this ever happen to you? You mad that you did it, but then you happy that you did it after you're done? Like, that's always happened to me. that's what's happening right now. I'm mad because look at this. This does not look how it's supposed to. Hike. Boy. So guys, I just fixed it again. Okay. And that is how you fix my slime. That is so sad. Okay, we learned from this video that if you add soap and water to fire slime, it would not be good. But then after you mix it, it will turn into this and it will be better. And then you'll be happy. And that is what we do. So, and that is how you make fire slime. Like, boom. Imagine I just dropped that and I have to have to, boy. Okay guys, I think we might have to add a bit more soap because I just dropped it on the ground. Okay. I'm adding some water. I just want that. Don't ever throw your salmon forward like this. I could have dropped that because it's really slippery. Don't ever do that because if you drop it, you're going to have to give a bath and then you have to take like an hour, a few minutes to wash it. And it's kind of annoying. And then it's going to take a little bit trying to make it soft and won't, you know what I mean, like, not be good and not how it's supposed to feel. So I don't know my children's like that. And that's how you make for some better. And, you know, I always have to throw for slime up in the air to finish the video. So, hopefully I don't drop it again. I think I can put higher. Higher. I'm gonna drop it. And that is how you do it. Subscribe.